What's going on, guys? It's Terrence Davis here to show you a quick video on how to load your Fibonacci's onto your MetaTrader 4, how we can trade right from our phone and do the exact same thing as if we was on a computer. So right now, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to the daily chart. We're going to identify the overall trend. As we can see, the market was in a nice, large downward trend, but just recently started to bounce up. So we'll do the same thing as on the computer. We'll add our low right here. And to verify that it's now an upwards trend, we need to see a higher high and a higher low, in which we do right here. This is on a daily chart, so we'll add our second line right at that second low, and that's going to verify to us that there's now starting an upwards trend. See that? See how that low is higher than that low? And this high all the way up here past 1.13 is higher than that high down there. So the next thing we'll do, we'll go switch over to our 4-hour chart. Okay. And we'll scroll all the way back to where we have this low right here. And we can start drawing our Fibonacci retracement, guys. So we'll go ahead, go to add object. We'll click the Fibonacci retracement and we'll draw it from that point to this high point up here. You see right there at the left of the phone is going to give us a very accurate reading of where we're placing it. Alright. So we'll move this down a little bit more. About right there. Alright, so we turned our phone sideways. I'm sorry if the audio changes up a little bit, but it's the same stuff, guys. As you can see, we have the 50% retracement right there between the 50 and the 60. We want to go add object. We want to click on the rectangle, and we want to draw our rectangle between the 50 and the 60. Really nice, just like that. Put it right there on the 50, right there even. Scroll over, and we can just expand that. And we're looking to buy the market when the market comes out of these zones. So it came into the 50, 60 percentile, it came up, we could have sold, caught that on the first upswing. Dropped back in the 50, 60. When it came right back out, we could have sold and caught all of that, guys. All of that. And this is the 4-hour chart. It's beautiful. All right, let's say you got out too early. Okay, let's say you got out too early. So let's take off these real quick. And you're still looking for the upswing. You're still only looking to buy. All right, so what you're going to do is, of course, go back to your Fibonacci retracement. You want to draw from right there to this new high, about right there. We're going to once again add our box. That's our box, guys. Look at that. Just expand it as far as you can. As far as you can. 50 and 60% right there. I'm sorry, this is supposed to be way up here. Boom, that's the next high. So you have to wait till it retraces. So that means that our 50 and 60% will be up here. All right, just bring that up. Boom. So that's the overall structure, retracement levels right there. So you see how it came below it, but when it came back above it, right there, we could have bought the market, caught all these pips. All right, and it came back below here in the future, but let's just keep it small. We would have gotten in right here. We could have exited up there. It's the same stuff, guys. This works. This retracement levels really works. It's the same thing for a sell. All right, so let's do one quick one, last one for a sell. Let's say we start right here. So we're gonna draw the Fibonacci retracement. This is when the market was dropping like crazy. All right, do it from right there to right there. Same stuff. Add our box. We're gonna draw our box right between the 50 and the 60%. Boom. Look at that. So we're looking for the retracement to come back up to that box, which it did right here in this area. Then when it drops out, we want to look to sell the market, and we would have caught all of that. Boom. We could have exited after it dropped. We could have exited right here at this bottom. We could have stayed in and let it drop again because we know that it's in an overall downward trend. Ridiculous, guys. The pips that you can catch using the Fibonacci retracement, especially on larger charts. Let me know if you like this video. Terrence Davis signing out. Give me a thumbs up. You guys make it a great day.